He was forgotten by the world, but he never. He dreamed big, even when everything around him was broken. Without school, he made the ground his classroom. He watched them go, while his own feet carried dreams. Even small hands can carry big responsibilities.
Cold nights, hungry stomach, but stars filled him with hope. When no one fixed his problems, he learned to fix them himself.
He sold happiness while hiding his tears.
Sometimes, dinner was just a bite and a deep breath. He watched the world through someone else's window.
He danced in the rain, with holes in his dreams.
When shoes tore away, he walked anyway.
His dreams had no strings, yet they flew higher. Kindness was his richest treasure. Warmth wasn't in his blanket, it was in his will. Even in need, he knew how to give. He found friends where no one else did. His bag was torn, but his hunger to learn wasn't. He made magic with trash and imagination.